Hello everyone! In the last video, we showed you the full credit workflow, from customer registration to loan repayment. But the true meaning of this process only comes when this data is transformed into a clear picture of your lending business. Analytics, including reports, are in fact a reflection of the business functioning for decision makers, for executives and managers at various levels of administration. We all understand that on a regular day, every manager of a credit organization wants to know the total state of their business. Analytics enables him to report on business results. MicroF1 offers no less than two fast and convenient tools for creating various types of reports: the embedded report tool and the business intelligence. On the screen, we can see that the MicroF1 system has the ability to generate more than 20 different reports. For example, if we select the repayments report, the system offers additional fields for entering details, such as choosing an organization, a drop-down list for selecting a credit product. After that, we enter the status of the loan and be sure to add the period for which payments were made. For example, 1 month. Also, there is an option to specify the number of records to be displayed on one page. In the end, click the Generate button and wait. As a result, the system generated a report, and we can see that for the specified period, payments were made for the following number of loans. Scrolling down the page further, we see that the report is quite large, and I, as a manager, do not need certain fields at the moment, so we can apply a multiple filter. Here we can easily switch off the fields and generate a simple report. Scrolling down, the report displays the payment amounts made during the specified period for all loan products. Let's go to the loan originations report, because as a manager, it is important for me to know how much money was issued in the last month. We specify all the parameters and click Generate. As a result, we see the total amount of money given out. But if the question arises, how much money was issued for loans with a term of no more than 7 days? This is why the MicroF1 system includes an interval in the multiple filter. Enter the data and generate a report. The screen displays the newly created report. We can experiment with filtering. For example, I now want to generate a report on issues for loans with a loan period of up to 30 days and a loan amount of up to $20,000. Okay, and again, we have generated a new report with the boundaries for the field values in the table. Another interesting report that is well worth showing you is the Registry of Contracts. MicroF1 enables us to select a particular manager. So after specifying the manager, we generate a report and see the total amount of loans for the selected manager and the contracts that have been registered. By the way, you can also easily click on any chosen document and get familiar with it as well. Of course, we have to introduce a very important report generated by our system, the loan portfolio. After all, the size of the loan portfolio shows the success of a credit institution and whether your business is lucrative. That's why we quickly generate a report for the current date and see the total amounts. Sometimes, a manager needs to see the maximum amount that was issued on a loan. So it is enough to apply a filter from the maximum to the minimum value. It is also easy to get to the selected loan from the report. With the next report, we can view all registered users for the selected period who have not applied for a loan just then. For example, I filtered the date and saw the clients who have just registered. Please notice that the system provides printing of all generated reports. Sometimes a manager needs to review all refused loans for a particular period. It is interesting what the report will look like if we select, for example, short-term loans of up to 7 days. We'll also add a 12 refusal code, which means that the client has debts in most of the open loans. As a result, we get a laconic report on refused loans with the reason of refusal for short-term loans. This report, like all the others, can be downloaded to your desktop and easily transferred to another manager. The last report I would like to show you is the processed applications of the risk manager, because you, as the leader of a credit organization, can easily monitor the dynamics of your team's work. For example, if you enter the working hours for 1 week, you can quickly check how many applications were approved and rejected by each employee. In addition, if you want to sample objects in the form of lists, you just click on the Loans, Applications, Customers, and other sections. It is because we offer you a flexible tool for managing your business, and generating analytics is easy and fast with the MicroF1 system. It is especially important to mention that our system has the ability to generate reports of any complexity using the integrated business intelligence system, Metabase, which does not require the participation of a developer to create a new report. This instrument is used for the business presentation of information encoded in the database without a license fee, which is of great importance. As you can see on the screen, your business analysts can easily create requests and generate reports of different types, easily transforming them into graphical data visualizations. BI System provides a flexible graphical query designer and an elegant SQL interface. Additionally, you can visually see the dynamics of your business by building dashboards that you can organize together with other team partners. Business intelligence is an ideal addition to your business management system. That's why MicroF1 is integrated with this tool from the beginning. We do our best to make analytics and prediction for your business easy and effective. And we hope you enjoyed the video and will subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next episodes.